Yesterday we had a call from ESI Hospital, Margao, regarding one pregnant lady who was referred from Mangur Hill. She is a COVID positive patient with full-term pregnancy, and on the request, our team of doctors under the leadership of Dr. Ankita Borkar was deputed to ESI Hospital, Margao. After examining the patient, Dr. Borkar felt that patient requires immediate cesarean section because there was a issue about fetal distress. And as per her assessment, the cesarean section was done at about 6:45 p.m. in the ESI hospital. Since the mother is positive and the baby born cannot be left with the mother, baby was shifted to Goa Medical College at 8 o'clock in a special ambulance and is kept in Goa Medical College in isolation ward of 148. We will be testing the baby soon for her swab, but let me share with you, the mother and baby both are fine. There is no problem with either of them, and I hope that the baby's swab will come negative, and if it is negative we will keep baby at Goa Medical College till the mother is cured, that is within 2 weeks, and then hand over baby to her. We have kept a special team of nurses to take care of the baby, and if the child by unfortunate thing happens to be positive, then we can send the baby back to the mother. So this is a future plan. However, this I think this is first COVID positive pregnant patient, or first COVID positive delivery in the state of Goa.